As you can probably hear, it is flat but pouring out there. So we're at the beach. I got a little bit of footage that you probably just saw. Very little. The storm's kind of brewing. It kind of sprinkled a little bit. Caught a couple fish. Not me. Sadie did. It is coming down out here. I had to run inside to put the awning up. The awning literally went completely up. And it's not supposed to do that. I mean, it's supposed to take a little bit of wind, but not much. And Jim's back here. Watch this. Look how bad it is. Look, that's what mine did. And it's not supposed to do that. Look at that. That is insane. Yeah, I can't believe I got that on video as I'm talking about it. But that's what my awning did. And his is supposed to roll in. Sorry for the lighting. There we go. His is supposed to roll in after like 15 miles an hour. Mine doesn't automatically roll in at a certain speed. So, yeah, Christina and Madison are in the truck. Madison's sleeping. I ran in to get the awning up because it flapped up like that. And as you can probably hear, it is just coming down. Look at this. Coming down. Like terrible. Look out this window. It is just coming down. It is probably one of the worst storms I think we've ever had in the camper. It is rocking it like crazy. Pretty strong winds out here. Absolutely insane. It's almost like hurricane force winds. You have no idea how insane this is right now. But it's literally, it's rocking the camper like someone's in here walking. Because I give my wife, you know, crap all the time. I'm like, walk gently. You know, I'm sleeping back here. You know, I'm sleeping and I'm just rocking the whole thing. That's what it feels like. And sorry, my hair is just an ever-loving mess. But you know, I got rained on. I had to dry off. I put a towel down here because everything was so soft and wet when I came in. And literally, like the awning did not want to go in because it didn't want to. It just wanted to sit there and spin because the wind kept blowing it up. You talk about insane. So that was my little bit of footage from the beach. Hopefully this stops sometime soon and the girls can come in. I came in to save the awning and I found a beer, so I'm going to sit in here and hope for the best and hope this slows down. It's starting to kind of flood out here. There goes Jim. Look, there's Jim. He's going to probably put his awning in too. I think that's what he's doing. He's trying to, I think. Yep, there it goes. He's putting his in. An insane amount of wind. But his went in a lot faster than what mine did. Mine did not want to go at all. This is absolutely crazy. I'll keep you informed on how things go. I'm not really sure what's going to happen. Hopefully we're good. You know, hopefully nothing happens bad, and we're good. So the drainage ditch out there is completely full. We got water coming up from the drainage ditch, and my carpet down here is completely soaked. The stroller, the lonely stroller out there, is completely soaked. So, look, I got water all over the counters from the rain and the door, and oh, this is crazy. Sorry, this video may be kind of boring. That's the most exciting thing that's happened to me all day long. Alright, we'll catch you back here and let you know how things are going. It's still raining. This rain is absolutely insane. There's thunder. We saw a bunch of lightning when we were trying to leave the beach. And of course everyone's trying to get off, and you got a ton of people coming down the coastal highway, or whatever the heck it's called there, when, you know, Ocean City and Delaware line. We're coming down there, and we're right here on Fenwick Island. It probably took us 20 minutes from the time we got off the beach to get here, which should have took us about 5. Traffic is insane. And we almost made it. I was going to roll up the carpet if I got here. Ugh. Look at the amount of water that's out there. I was telling you, look at all that water. The picture doesn't even do it justice, I'm just telling you. probably hear the thunder. Man, look at that mop that I got on my head. Hey, you know what? I don't think it's gonna stop anytime soon. So we're just gonna deal with it and just hunker down. I'm hunkering down in here. Woo! Woo! I'm gonna hunker down in here with y'all, and you can help me wait out the storm. And the girls are in the trucks. I believe Sadie and Mama are in the Explorer. Christina and Madison are in my truck. So just gonna wait out the storm. Yep. Aftermath of the storm. It's just the rain has kind of subsided, but our drainage ditch is not really draining. Papa and Sadie as they walk down in the drainage ditch. That's some deep old water right there. Look how deep that is. Yeah, and it was all the way up to here. And we got puddles up here. Look at all the water out that way. Well, look at the yard behind you. Look at that yard. Nothing but flooded. Flooded. She needs her floaties. She ain't staying out in this, I can tell you that. No, I ain't doing that. So the awnings didn't die. Jim's like, you gotta show me my awning fold up. You'll have to watch it. Hey, you'll have to watch it. I'll have to watch it. I might not want to watch it. You may not want to, but it took a beating just like this thing did. But this thing didn't want to come in. Like she was screaming in the truck, you know, really get it in.
I wasn't screaming. I was just like, what is he doing? Get the darn awning in.
I had the button. I was like, the remote with you? The remote's in there.
Yeah, no, he was pushing the button on the inside.
Okay.
And then I ran out and saved the Mickey lamp.
Yeah, I looked through the window. I was like, where'd that Mickey lamp go? I almost came out. Well, I did come out.
Did you? I didn't see you.
Yeah, with the Mickey
windows
lamp.
were fogged up. I couldn't see him.
But have mercy. We survived the storm, but it was quite bad. So, all right, hey, survive another one.
Do you have flashbacks to Racetown?
Actually, I did have flashbacks. I told your dad that awning hit that thing, and I was like, God help me if this thing breaks. I'm out in the rain. It's pouring rain. I might as well have my skivvies on because I'm just like I was. I had my underwear on.
But at least it's daytime.
Jim's screaming at me, tie it down with a beach towel, and I got no one here to help me. So, flashbacks.
I'm surprised you got a camper after that experience.
Me too. I'm surprised I got a camper, and I'm like, just take the awning off. I don't need that. Now I'll learn my lesson. If I leave the campground, I'm going to put my awning in.
Depending on where we are.
I'm going to put it in every time.
It is a word for this one right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you cold?
Sadie, the air conditioner's
She's
on
cold.
in the camper.
It's colder inside.
Yeah, it's freezing inside.
Put your thingy on.
Yeah.
How can it
Put your wrap up
on the wet table? Or on my
Same.
umbrella. Here, this will help.
Hey, it's looking like a beautiful day now. Sunshine.
It's not wet. Come here.
Sunshine in the sky. A little bit of drizzle coming down. People driving by. How you doing? Alright, camera's getting wet. I'm turning this thing off. The sun has come back out. I'm half dressed, as you can see. Half dressed. Getting ready to do some, getting ready for some dinner. So we're getting ready to go to, I think it's a crab cake factory. Never been there myself. There's one actually right down the road, but my brother-in-law says there's one better down like 120th Street. So we're going to go to that one. There's actually people driving by, and I'm sure they're looking at me weird because I'm talking to you. Hello. Yeah. Hammer down, lady. Hammer down. Just got my shower. I feel a lot better. Sun's out. It's turning into a beautiful evening. It's about 5:30 in the evening. So like I said, we're going to go to dinner. I'm pretty sure we're going to walk that stupid boardwalk after. I have no desire to go on the boardwalk. But that's the plans, and I don't have any say in it. So, you know. Somebody else. In a Jeep. You got a Jeep. Brum, 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 brum. Yep. Guy thinks he's cool. He's really not. Probably got water in the engine. That's what it sounded like. Anyway, we're going to go to the crab cake factory, eat some dinner. Probably won't have any video there because I'm just not going to take you to dinner. I'm sorry. I don't know you that well. You don't know me. I mean, if we get to know each other better, you know, I'll take you to dinner. Maybe take you for a coffee. We'll probably start with like a coffee. Let's go to Starbucks. We'll have a coffee, and we'll start from there. So, you know, I apologize. We're not going to Crab Cake Factory together. But we're going to go there. We're going to walk the boardwalk. I'm not sure what else we're going to do for the evening. If the video doesn't conclude after this, it'll probably pick up back in the morning because we're going to clean up when we're going home. Got some work to do at the house. We're only staying here. We've been here since Sunday. It's Tuesday today. So, yeah, I mean, we had a heck of a good time, and it rained every day, just for a little bit, just kind of like it did. So, yeah, having a good time, having a drink, letting stuff dry out from the weather. Of course, this drainage ditch has gone down. Of course, it was filled up to like my foot area. Yeah, good times. Welcome back. So, I forgot to take my camera with me, and we did a few things. Come here. Come here. Oh, little Miss Blue Tongue. Stand up there. Where'd you go? There you are. Stand up. So we got done our vacation. Hello again. So I didn't bring the camera with me. I kind of forgot it. I seem to do that when we're kind of busy and rushing out the door. I forget that. So, we've been home for a day. I got a haircut, as you can see. Anyway, after that phone call, so we went down to the end of the, the beginning of the inlet there. We did some rides. Excuse me. We did some rides and did some of the rides outside, some of the ones inside, and then went and got some hermit crabs. So, I'm going to show you the hermit crabs real quick. Let me get this thing open. I want to scare the crap out of them. So here's our little hermit crab little cage, and there's two of them actually right underneath it here. There's two of them. The one looks like he's upside down. So there's one little hermit crab. Focus. So he wants to come out, but that's one little hermit crab. And then the other one that they got, there's the other one. If it wants to focus on the hermit crab and not my finger. Anyway, you get the point. The hermit crabs. Whoops. Dropped his butt. I'll put him back in there. Put the little hermit hut back over top. But we got a hermit crab little thing from Ocean City, and I know that's kind of cliche when you go down there. You know, I got my hermit crab from Ocean City. That's kind of, you know, the thing to do for the kids when you go down there is just get them hermit crabs. I've had hermit crabs ever since I was just a wee little lad. I remember me and my brother, we shared a room. We had beds on each side, and we had this little, like, bookshelf thing in the middle. And we had hermit crabs in this big, giant cage. I mean, the thing was like a 2-gallon bucket, but it was actually like a cage. You can hear them climbing up the metal and stuff at night. Really cool. We had a couple of those. So I've had hermit crabs, you know, when we lived here too. Me and the wife have had them. And Sadie had one a couple years ago, and then we got the girls, you know, each a hermit crab. We're probably going to get more because we have a bigger cage than that, but that's just what she likes to watch them climb on, so we just kind of left them in that. But eventually they're going to go to a bigger cage and probably more hermit crabs. They're just fun to play with and, you know, watch. So the other thing that came that I wish would have came before I went to the beach was these sweet set of swimming trunks. Now not only do they have the Maryland flag on them, but they're, let me show you here. But they have the American flag on one side, kind of rustic looking, and the Maryland flag on one side. And then just for the opposite, it's just reversed. I wish I would have got these things before we went, but sweet set of swimming trunks. I'm super excited to use these. Anyway, that's our trip. Thanks for watching this episode. We're almost done.